Top 5 reasons why you should use a classic car as your daily driver. Wait, what? You mad, bro? Hey, just because a car is old doesn't render it impossible to use every day. Oh, and by classic car, I mean a car with more than 25 years. Let's get started. Number 5. The compliments. Drive a modern grey hatchback every day and no one will notice you. But if you have a classic and keep it clean, even people that don't appreciate cars may take a second look and even compliment your ride. Your car will stand out on most parking lots and will make you feel like a sir. Number 4. Old cars are more fun to drive. Modern cars are heavy, and excessive weight ruins the driving experience. Even a modern family hatchback weighs more than some saloons from the 70s. Old cars can have surprising agility, and even if the handling is bad, you will have a great time. In a so bad it's good kind of way. Also, the noise is great. Old cars are unapologetic and don't really have to meet politically correct noise regulations. Number 3. Parts are available and easy to find. What? It's a common myth that if you daily a classic car, you will cry rivers of money when the time comes to replace a body panel or some suspension component. This myth probably generated from the fact that some classic cars are rare or were sold in limited editions to begin with. There are plenty of classic cars that are some of the best sellers of all time, like the original Mini and Volkswagen Beetle. It will be more difficult to find brand new parts, but you are sure to find plenty used and on junkyards. It's all down to what you choose. Number 2. Classic cars are cheap. Okay, this one sounds far from the truth, but bear with me. Usually when a car becomes a classic, it starts to go up in value, sure. But if you spot a future classic that isn't popular yet, you will find a great bargain. Even some of the most collectible ones are much cheaper than the modern day equivalents. Classic cars are also cheaper and easier to maintain, since any mechanic can repair them with spanners, not like the 4-wheel computers that are sold today. And since there is less equipment, there is also less to go wrong, and you can perform some of the maintenance yourself. And the number 1 reason to daily a classic car? You will become a better driver. New cars have a big brain and are full of driving aids. ABS, traction control, hill start assist, self-parking, blind spot detection, collision warnings, and I could go on all day. I'm not saying that if you drive a modern car you're a bad driver, nor am I saying driving a classic will instantly make you become Jason Statham. But old cars make you pay more attention to the road. Hell, they make you pay more attention to them! You must always think ahead, keep a bigger safe distance, and even carefully calculate every gear change and throttle position to get the best fuel economy. In this age, when we are getting closer every day to autonomous cars, we must not consign the art of driving to the history books. So, those were the 5 reasons why I think you should use a classic car as your daily driver. Did I miss something? Am I completely out of my mind? Let me know what you think in the comments! Don't forget to like and share. Check out my other videos and subscribe for more of these top 5s. See you next time! Drive safe!